Hi guys, I'm Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So the next interview question it may ask you, explain the yield method of thread class. Explain the yield method of thread class, guys. So this question may ask you in interview room. So it is a static method. It is a static method, guys. Okay, so it is a static method of thread class, native static method. Okay, so now you can see, guys, so we can invoke this method by using thread class. Okay, because it is a static method, we can invoke, we can call this method, okay, by using class name, guys. Okay, because it's a static method and static content we can invoke by using class name, guys. Okay, so now what is the use of yield method? The yield method of thread class causes the currently executing thread. The yield method of thread class causes the currently executing thread object to temporarily pause and allows higher priority threads to execute. Allows higher priority threads to execute. So now we can explain with example, guys. Okay, let's have one example. So now let's say we write a class and the class name we write A105, guys. Okay, so class name A105 we write here and then we said extends, okay, thread, extend thread. Okay, and now let's say I write a run method. Okay, I will write a run method at here. Okay, so whichever thread will come for execute here. So now then after I will say, okay, please return the currently executing thread object. So thread.t, so that currently executing thread object we can receive by using current thread method. Okay, and now then after we will say for, okay, integer I is equals to 1, I less than is equals to 3, guys. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, so whichever thread will come into this run method, so now it will execute from 1 to 10 and then every time it will print its a name. Okay, so for that we will say t dot get name. Okay, and along with this name, so I will concatenate the value of I here. So now then simultaneously, okay, okay, we have to execute this child thread, okay, along with the main thread, guys, along with the main thread. Okay, along with the main thread we can execute. So for that we will say thread dot, once again, t is equals to thread dot current thread. Okay, thread dot current thread, and then after, okay, we will create a thread for this class. So for that we will say, okay, we will change the name of this variable. We will say main thread. This is the main thread, guys. Okay, so now then we will create a first child thread. So we will say thread t1 and then we will say new thread and we will pass the object of, okay, which class, okay, or directly we can create the object of a105 a1 new a105. Okay, so this is the first thread, guys. Okay, and the name of this thread we will set as a a1 dot set name. A1 dot set name we will say, like, for example, let's say I rate a Pune. Okay, I rate a Nagpur thread. Okay, guys, and now the second one, okay, uh, I will say a2. Okay, and then I said a Pune at here. Okay, Nagpur and Pune, and then I will start this thread. Okay, a1 dot start and a2 dot start, guys. Okay, so we will start both these three. So before that we can change the priority. Okay, later on we can change priority. Okay, first of all, okay, we will run this program so without using yield method. Okay, so now we will say main thread dot get name main thread. Okay, so it means to say along with this main thread, okay, we are executing child thread, okay, simultaneously, guys. Okay, simultaneously, not one after another, simultaneously we are executing main thread and child thread. So now you will see the output. You will see the output, guys. Okay, so main 1, main 2. Okay, so thread 1, and thread 1. Okay, so okay, where we are wrong, guys. So a1, okay, a1 dot a2 dot set name. Okay, a2 dot set name. So now you will see, guys, so main 1, main 2. Okay, so simultaneously they are executing. Simultaneously they are executing in a 0 second, guys. Okay, within a 0 second they are executing. Okay, they are executing. Now once again we will run this. So now, okay, we are not using yield method at here, but suppose we use yield method at here. Okay, we will say, okay, a1 dot yield, okay, we will call yield method. Okay, something like this, guys. Okay, so yield method. yield method. So I think spelling is wrong. yield. yield. Okay, yield method, guys. Okay. So now, so we are calling yield method, okay, by using, okay, which thread? Nagpur thread. Okay, so by using Nagpur thread object, okay, we are invoking yield method, guys. So now run file, you will see the difference. Okay, you will see the difference in output. You can see, guys. Okay, you can see yield method just pausing, just pausing this main thread. Okay, and allowing this thread, okay, allowing this thread a1 and a2, okay, please execute first. Okay, so now you can see, guys. Okay, once again. Okay, now, okay, so both the thread having same priority, both the thread, okay, all this thread, main thread having five priority, a1 having 5 priority, a2 having 5 priority. So we can change the priority. A1 dot set a priority. Okay, set a priority, like let's say I set the priority of this thread a1 priority 9 and a2 priority I will set it as a like, for example, okay, 7, guys. Okay, so now you will see. Okay, you will see, guys. Okay, maximum time main thread, okay, main thread, okay, will allow, okay, child thread to execute first, guys. Okay, you can see here yield method. Okay, yield method, getting, guys? But suppose we write the less priority. Okay, less priority, like for example, main thread priority is 5, but suppose we write a1 priority. Okay, first thread priority as a 2, and a2 priority suppose we write 1, guys. Okay, so now run file, you can see, guys. You can see. Okay, so lesser priority thread. Okay, okay, getting, guys? So but suppose we increase the priority. Okay, like suppose we say 10 priority and the 10 priority, run file. Okay, run file. Okay, you can see, guys, maximum time. Okay, maximum time main thread, okay, pausing to itself and allowing, okay, allowing which thread, guys? Okay, which thread? a1 thread and a2 thread to execute first. Okay, and then later on this main thread, okay, main thread will execute its a body, guys. Okay, so this is all about yield method. This is all about yield method of thread class. So what is the use of yield method? The yield method of thread class causes the currently executing thread object to temporarily pause and allows higher priority thread to execute, guys. So this is all about yield method in thread class, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you, guys.